Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast and calmly. First, confirm the auto-injector is not expired and the medication window looks clear. This ensures potency and safety. Once done, sit or lie down to prevent fainting, expose the outer thigh, and remove the safety cap. Do this now. Grip the device in your dominant hand with your thumb away from the orange tip because you will push straight into the thigh. This prevents accidental needle injury and readies the injector for the next step. You must deliver the dose reliably. Position the tip at a right angle to the outer thigh, middle area, then push hard until you hear an audible click. The click means the needle deployed. Once clicked, keep pressure and hold the injector firmly against the skin for 3 seconds to ensure full drug delivery. After that, remove the device and rub the area gently for 10 seconds to aid absorption. This helps the epinephrine enter circulation quickly and reduces local discomfort. You're not done yet. Call emergency services right away and tell them an epinephrine injection was given because symptoms can recur. While you wait, keep monitoring breathing and consciousness. Lie on your back with legs raised if circulation is poor. If severe symptoms continue after 5 to 15 minutes and emergency help has not yet arrived, administer a second dose if available. This can be life-saving. If the injector jams or you see no fluid delivered, report that to clinicians.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.